Alright guys, what's up? So today I wanted to put out a video on an application that I think will help a lot of people out, from their job to either speaking to somebody that speaks a different language. So I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial or a tour on Google Translate. I'm gonna be showing you guys on an Android phone and of course on an Apple phone, just to kind of, you guys can see the difference. I didn't see much of a difference from it. The application kind of looks the same, but I'm still gonna show you guys just so you guys can see it. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with the Android phone. So with the Android phone, of course, I already have it downloaded. I'm gonna show you a quick way of how to do it. So open up your app tray. Once you open up your app tray, open up the Play Store. Once you open up the Play Store, just go into the search bar. Like I said, you can literally type Google Translate or just type in Translator, and it should be there. Should be able to download no problem. And once you download, it should appear on your app tray here, or I have it set to where it downloads it and it appears on the front. So I'll open it there. So once you open it, the language I'll be speaking would be, I'll be translating, excuse me, would be from English to Spanish, just something basic real quick. And I mean, the majority of people speak Spanish as well too, so pretty cool. You can switch it as well too, like if for instance si hablas español y lo quieres en inglés, lo puedes cambiar para que te lo traduzca en inglés, so you can switch it back and forth. So, and if you speak other languages, of course you can download the others as well too. Japanese will probably be one I'll be downloading, which I can do that now to show you. I want to download, yes, and then I'll show you guys how to use it as well. So once you do that, I'll start off with a handwritten thing. So I wanted to do that. So like I said, I'm going from English to Spanish. So
hi, my name is Goku.
That's in English.
Hola, mi nombre es Goku.
Alright, and of course you can copy it here so you can paste it on a text, and it gives you other options if you wish to do as well too. If I wanted to switch it, for instance, if I want to say something in Spanish, so if I remember how to spell, tengo hambre, is it with H? Oh, sorry. So for instance,
tengo hambre.
Yes,
I'm hungry.
So like I said, it can be switched out. And for instance, I wanted to do Japanese. It's already been downloaded. I'll take that off. I am hungry. Who's never hungry? Famous words. So of course this would be
I am hungry.
This would be in Japanese. And it would actually tell you as well to how to kind of pronounce it. So it's pretty cool. So that's the written one. So say for instance you want to do the camera one. Hold on, let me switch that. Let me go back real quick. Say for instance I have a book in English and I need to translate it to Spanish. So, and I have a book, yeah. So say I got my camera ready here. I am gonna grab my son's Dogman book here just because Dogman's cool. Take a picture of it. It's gonna scan it. Once it scans, you're gonna kind of highlight what you want translated, and it'll show you, look, here it is, mira quién está aquí. So it'll translate it for you. Of course, that's not a really good example, but it's still some words. So, and then you can take a picture of a whole page of a document or something, and it actually translate it for you. So it's pretty useful. Let me go back to the main. Like I said, you can handwrite stuff as well too. So you can literally write on a page and write back and forth to somebody. Have a conversation with somebody. The phone would actually listen back and forth, which I don't have somebody here. Of course, your voice, you can say it, and then of course it'll repeat it back to you. So that's on an Android device. Now say for instance you don't have an Android device and you wanted to use it on an Apple phone. So same thing on an Apple phone. You unlock it. Usually your apps are in front of the page here, or it'll be moved to the left. So one thing I did want to point out, well, let me show you how at first. Say for instance you wanted to download, so same thing, open up your app store, hit search, and then just literally type in translator, and they would appear there. So yes, I already have it downloaded. I wanted to show you guys something as well too. So on Apple, it does have its own iTranslate, which is available. What I wanted to show you guys as well too, kind of to do a tutorial, but It actually is only free for text. It charges you a fee if you try to use their translator. So that was a little bit disappointing, but it does give you the free text stuff, which is cool. But Apple kind of fell off on that with the iTranslate. It charges you for everything else. So, like I said, I'll give you an example. If I want to take the camera what I showed you with Google, it charges you. So be careful on that. So I can't use any of these bottom things unless I pay. So I did want to point that out real quick. But of course, I have Google already on here, and it works the exact same way. So if I wanted to type something, if I can spell correctly, no, like I said, same thing. Oh, you have to accept the settings on there, sorry.
Hi, my name is Goku.
Alright.
Hola, mi nombre es Goku.
It's the same thing. You can select the language, flip it back and forth, just like it was on an Android device. Lens is there. You can handwrite, have a conversation, voice, and you can copy it as well too, or search as well too what you're looking for. Yeah, that's Google Translate. I think it'll help out a lot of people. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. You guys are awesome for it. Oh shit, I dropped Goku Black there, sorry. But yeah, thank you guys for the support. Keep watching, give me likes, share. It's awesome. Thank you guys.